Hey, just a reminder, have a pencil ready when you're about to do some work. I had to restart this video because I had no clue where my pencil was. I had to go find it. Yeah, so be prepared. Pack a pencil. Hey, I'm going to be showing you how to graph an equation. I'm going to be showing you two different ones here. Here's the first one. Remember, the equation is y equals mx plus b. You're going to look at two pieces. This tells you where to start on the y-axis, the b. And the m tells you your slope, your rise and your run. So this one does not have anything added on the end. You need to know that starts at 0, 0 when there is nothing on the end. Slope is always a fraction. We need a fraction in order to graph. So if it's not a fraction, you can make any number into a fraction by dividing by 1. So I'm going to divide and put a 1 on the bottom. Now I know my rise and my run. I know I'm going down 4 and right 1. If you want to write arrows there so that you don't forget which directions you're going, that's a good idea. So starting from my starting dot, I'm going to go down 4 and right 1, down 4 and right 1, and then I'm going to go back up. Since I've gone as far as I can go, I'm going to go up 4 and left 1, just doing the opposite. Up 4 and left 1. I'm going to connect my dots. Put arrows on the ends, and there's that one. We're going to take a look at one more. Look at number 7 here. Okay, it does have a number on the end without x. I'm looking for that number without x. That's the y-intercept. So on the y-axis, always start on the y-axis. Go to -4. My slope is a fraction, so I'm set to go there. So I'm going to go up 2 and over 3. Up 2 and over 3. I'm going to go back down the other way. I've gone as far as I can go. So down 2 and left 3. Down 2 and left 3. Down 2 and left 3. And then draw my line. I've been drawing lines for a long time, so if you don't draw your lines as good as mine, that's alright. I've had a lot of practice. Hey, don't forget to get some Jerdy merch. Click the link down below. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Let's get 50 likes, you know? Yeah, this is Math with Jerdy. Noggin, you know, Nux, Wednesday Nux, all those things. Friday, let's do some math. Hey, welcome to the Math Zone. SW212.